You're not leaving. Turn the vehicle off. If you do not turn the vehicle off, I will bust this window out.
You ain't gonna bust nothing.
Turn the vehicle off.
You're not gonna bust nothing. You're not gonna bust nothing.
You ain't leaving.
Yes, I am.
You want to bet?
Yes, I am.
Try to drive off. See what happens.
Move.
You have to,
I can get out. Move.
You do not call the shots.
Move. Let me get. Yo, don't. Go ahead, cause you don't care.
Right here.
Don't pull me.
Get out.
Don't pull me.
Get out.
Don't pull me.
Get out of the fucking car.
Get out. Don't pull me.
On the 25th of January 2026, in Collinsville, Illinois, a speeding stop became a felony retail theft arrest and exposed how fast a traffic encounter falls apart when neither side communicates clearly. This footage captures something that plays out in stops across the country. A subject convinced she was in the right, and an officer who never explained why she was wrong. The law had settled both questions.
Hello?
Hello, let's roll down the window.
What's that, what?
Roll down the window.
It is down.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. What you want? What's the problem?
Let's see your ID, you're speeding.
I wasn't speeding.
Yes, you are on Collinsville. It's not 43 miles per hour.
I was not speeding.
Yes, you were. I was right behind you.
I was not speeding.
Yes, you were.
No, I was not. I don't have my ID on me. I can give you my name.
Let's see some ID and your insurance.
I got insurance.
So what's that in your hand?
This is my paper.
All right, let's see your paper.
Huh?
Let's see your paper then.
I can give you my name and you can write my...
I don't know who you are. Let's look at your paper. Where's your driver's license?
My driver's license. I don't know my driver's license number.
Where is your driver's license?
It's in my...
Why are you not rolling down your window?
No, because my lawyer told me this is enough for you.
Do you have your insurance?
I'm with Branch.
Do you have your insurance? I don't care who you're with.
It's in my... I have insurance.
Then I need to see it.
I have insurance.
I'm not taking your word on it, just like I'm not taking your word that you're done.
I am. Just run it.
Show me your ID then.
I will give. I get it. Go ahead on run it. I give it to you.
Then let's see it.
I give it to you. Go ahead on and run it. I don't have no I don't have no warrants or nothing.
You're not rolling down the window, so I don't know what's up with you. So I can see you.
Let me find my.
So I can see you.
Let me find it. I give it to you.
You don't want to roll down the window.
I was not speeding.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not. No, I was not. I was not speeding.
Let's find that ID then, Donna.
My thing of it is you don't. My lawyer say I don't.
I don't care what your lawyer says.
Look. I'm giving you my name.
I don't care. I need more than your name. I need your driver's license.
When you run my number, it's going to say my driver's license.
Okay, I'm asking you if you have your card with you. That's what I asked you. We'll just see what she took. There's a lot of loose merchandise throughout the vehicle. Why is all this stuff in the back not bagged up? This stuff you just got from Walmart. We're gonna determine if you're good or not. You're currently detained, ma'am. Yes, you are. You're not leaving. Turn the vehicle off. If you do not turn the vehicle off, I will bust this window out.
You ain't gonna bust nothing. Turn the vehicle off.
You're not
gonna bust nothing. You're not gonna bust nothing.
You ain't leaving.
Yes, I am.
You want to bet?
Yes, I am.
Try to drive off. See what happens. You are. I don't need one. You are currently detained, and that's called obstruction.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Where'd you go to law school at?
No, I'm not.
Where'd you go to law school at?
No. Where you go to law school at?
Me? SLU?
No, I don't care where you went.
Okay then.
You're not finna detain me.
You are detained. You are not free to leave.
No.
Yes.
That's a lie.
That is not a lie.
Yeah, it is.
You're not free to leave. You're not getting anything. You are detained. You are detained.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
You are not free to go.
Yes, I am.
You are not.
Yes, I am.
You are not.
Yes, I am. You ain't got no search warrant.
I don't need a search warrant.
Yes, you do.
That's false.
Yes, you do.
Nope.
I don't want to hear that.
I don't want to hear what you got to say. You're going to sit here and you're going to wait.
You don't know who's in the court with me. Down on them.
Yeah, cameras are going to speak truth. It's fine.
You said you pulled me up for speeding. I was not speeding.
Okay, you're still detained. You are not free to leave. Huh? Huh?
She didn't have anyone with her. Quit putting that right out in my fucking face. Shit. Get away from my car.
I don't know what makes you think you're calling the shots here, but you're not.
You ain't either.
Oh, I'm still standing here.
I don't give a
My light hasn't moved.
I don't care.
Good, me either.
I don't care. Don't mean shit to me.
Clearly.
I gotta say.
You're a Ray Langford fan?
And it's a legal stop.
Nope.
Yes, it was. You said that I was speeding. I wasn't speeding.
I didn't say anything about what you were doing.
He said I was speeding.
I
I
did.
wasn't speeding.
Hey, he's probably right.
No. But like I say, you all had that warrant on me. Y'all been harassing me, harassing
Nah.
my car.
It's not harassment because you don't like it.
Damn lie.
It's not harassment because you don't like it.
You're a lie.
I didn't lie about anything. Apparently, it was a whole car push out.
Huh?
It was a whole car push out. It said all the merchandise that was stolen was on the back passenger side of her vehicle.
Okay.
And they said, Brad's getting ready to send me a photo. AP's not on right now, loss prevention's not on, but manager was the one that reviewed the camera, and they tried to stop her, and she just kept pushing past. So he's sending me a photo now because he's reviewing the camera. And we'll see if she's willing to get out or if we're going to have to get her out.
What am I detained for?
Okay, ma'am, so you were just identified as by Walmart management that you committed a retail theft.
I did not do that. I did not.
Okay.
I didn't commit no retail.
Okay, well, there's 6 witnesses that say otherwise. Okay.
Maybe, but I had somebody else with me.
Okay, the photo I just received was you pushing a cart by yourself
No.
with a load full of merchandise, which is currently sitting in your back seat. So you have here's what's known as an ultimatum. Okay, we need you to step out of the vehicle. Okay, or we have to get you out of the vehicle.
No, he say that 6 witnesses verified me.
So let's make this easy.
No. So what are you talking about doing?
So currently, you need to exit the vehicle.
Is it a vehicle for what?
Because we're going to place you under arrest.
Huh?
We're going to place you under arrest for retail theft. You need to get off the phone. You're here talking to me.
What'd you say?
Hang up the phone.
Okay.
Step out of the vehicle. Or you're going to be hit with another charge of obstruction.
I'm up here. The car.
You got about 10 seconds before I open the door.
Right here.
What's her name?
Okay.
Donna.
Okay.
Donna?
So you're on your way?
It doesn't matter who's on their way. They're going to get charges. Open the door. Open the door before I open it. Open the door.
On my damn shit like that. Don't do that.
Go ahead and step out.
Step out.
You wait a minute.
Step out.
You don't call the shot here. Step out of the
And you
fucking
don't
car.
either. And you said that I was speeding. I wasn't speeding.
It doesn't matter.
You were.
Yes, it does.
Come on.
You also committed a retail theft.
Let's go.
I didn't commit that. Let me
You
get
got,
my stuff.
you got about
Move.
2 seconds before I remove you.
Move.
Step out.
I can get out. Move.
You do not call the shots here.
Move. Let me get. Yo, don't. Go ahead, cause you don't care.
All right, yeah, right here.
Don't pull me.
Get out.
Don't pull me.
Get out.
Don't pull me.
Get out of the fucking car.
Get out.
Don't pull me. Don't pull me. Don't pull me.
Get out of the fucking
Get
car.
out.
Don't pull me. Don't pull me.
It's called a
Yo,
negligent
what's your
charge.
name? Yeah, I got
Officer
you.
Carter,
Stand up.
130.
You are pulling me. No, let me get my stuff.
No, you don't call
Oh,
the fucking
yeah.
shots.
Don't pull. Stop it. You better stop pulling my arm like that, man.
Then listen.
Stop pulling my arm.
Listen.
No, ain't no listen. You don't
Stop
do me
it.
like that. Don't do me like
Don't
that.
resist.
How about
Don't
that?
do me like that.
How about don't resist?
I got you. And you probably getting above my head. Okay.
Yeah.
Got you. Got you. For real.
That's fine.
Got you.
Officer Carter, badge number 130.
Yeah, okay. Got you.
Yeah.
Got you.
She's in custody.
Stand up.
Go ahead and walk.
Stand up.
Let me
Stand
go.
up so I can make sure these cuffs don't tighten up on you, all right?
Let me get my.
We'll get it.
my
What you
purse.
need, just tell us what you need.
I need my purse.
We'll get
we're
it.
gonna grab
I want my
Did you want
purse.
your hat?
Yes, I do. And give my key.
You want your phone?
We'll get all that.
Okay, come on back with me. We're going to bring it. But you're not going to get it.
My son gonna come get my
That's
car.
fine. You ain't coming to get your car.
What you mean?
We're towing it.
Towing my car? What?
Yeah.
It was using the commission of a
car.
crime. It was using the commission of a crime.
I
Walk.
wouldn't. No,
Walk.
it was not.
Give me
my other purse, man.
We'll get it. Go. Well, you act like a criminal, you're gonna get treated like one.
Maybe get your butt in there.
Go.
Sit your butt in there.
Shit, you better watch what you say.
Yeah, we don't either. This car's full of shit.
I know. She said, if you want it, we can
I'm a photograph.
try to go through it now. She said then she can total it up tonight if we have the actual property of what she took, or if we want to hang on to it now.
Let me take photos for you.
Yeah.
What about like all those,
in the bag.
What about these dog
In
treats?
like that brown bag. Yeah, those are our dog treats. We got that with the detergent.
Oh yeah.
Did you see glasses?
Like this drinking glass set.
I didn't see what was under the stuff, but it was piled up. So I would have to keep rewinding to see if the glass is wrong too.
Sorry, I didn't want to get stuck.
She called her son. He might be on his way up here too. Well, there's 4 big candles that are $25 a piece. Well, she's also a thief and a liar, so.
What's that tag say on there? On the other side. Where's the tag? Right there.
Right here.
No, that comes from Walmart. That's my.
It says ship to Walmart.
No, that's my definitely for sure.
No, it says to Walmart.
Oh, okay. I'm like, no, that's definitely. And they'll tell you when it's been shipped.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh! There goes the donuts and the crab legs.
Under 625 ILCS 56 to 112, every Illinois driver must carry and produce their license upon request. No exceptions. Attorney advice cannot override a statutory obligation, and that refusal generated a criminal charge before the speeding dispute was resolved. Running the tag is not a substitute. Illinois law is explicit on this point. Refusing to produce a physical license is a Class A misdemeanor. Independent of anything else in the stop, at 2 minutes 57 seconds, the officer declared the subject detained. Under Terry v. Ohio, a lawful traffic stop for an observed violation is sufficient grounds. Once detained, the subject had no legal right to leave. Her repeated insistence otherwise carried no weight. Attempting to drive away from a lawful detention is obstruction of a peace officer under 720 ILCS 53-1-1. That charge stands on its own, regardless of whether the original speeding allegation was accurate. Mid-stop, the officer received a photo from Walmart's store manager and accounts from multiple witnesses. Under wherein v. United States, a traffic stop may lawfully extend when independent probable cause for a separate offense develops during contact. The unbagged merchandise in plain sight on the back seat corroborated that identification. Under Horton v. California, no warrant is needed for evidence visible during a lawful stop. Probable cause for felony retail theft under 720 ILCS 516-25 was established. When the subject refused to exit, Pennsylvania v. Mimms controls. Officers may order any driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop, no extra justification required. Refusal is obstruction, and it authorizes reasonable force to gain compliance. Under Graham v. Connor, force is evaluated by objective reasonableness, crime severity, resistance level, and threat present. Active physical resistance during a felony arrest with no weapon indicated the extraction used here falls within the lower range courts have consistently upheld. Officer Carter receives a C+. The arrest was legally justified and the force was proportionate. But every unnecessary conflict in this stop traces back to one failure. He never told the subject clearly why she was being held. The post-arrest remark, "You act like a criminal, you get treated like one," is exactly what ends up in civil litigation. Commentary after custody has no law enforcement purpose and creates real risk for the officer and any subsequent prosecution. The subject receives a C. Her factual dispute over the speeding may have had merit. It does not matter if her own conduct generated 3 criminal charges. Refusing identification, refusing to exit, and resisting arrest are each independent offenses. She had real options: challenge the stop in court, file a complaint, pursue civil remedies. Instead, she spent that leverage in a roadside standoff she could not win. By the time the cuffs were on, the speeding question was irrelevant. Before we close, here are 5 lessons that come directly out of this footage for citizens and officers both. Lesson 1. Producing your driver's license during a traffic stop is a statutory duty in Illinois under 625 ILCS 5-6-112. Attorney advice does not change that. Non-compliance is a criminal offense. Lesson 2. Once lawfully detained, you are not free to leave. Driving away or physically resisting creates a separate charge under 720 ILCS 531-1 on top of whatever started the stop. Lesson 3. Officers who declare detention without explaining why are creating their own problems. Clarity reduces resistance, reduces escalation, and reduces the risk the detention gets challenged later in court. Lesson 4. A traffic stop can expand mid-encounter. When independent probable cause develops a photo, a witness, merchandise in plain view, the legal ground shifts entirely. Know that before you decide how to respond. Lesson 5. The camera keeps rolling after the cuffs are on. Post-arrest commentary is legally unnecessary and practically dangerous. Professionalism does not end at the moment of custody. If this breakdown was useful, leave a comment. We want to know what you took from it. If there is an interaction or a legal topic you want covered next, let us know. Subscribe so you do not miss it.